Hi, my name is Miguel from avoiderrors.net. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a multi-Windows USB installer. For this tutorial, I'm using a 15GB USB drive with the drive letter G, not to be confused with running Windows from a USB drive. Now to create my multi-Windows USB, I'll be using YUMI. The link is in the description box below. Once there, scroll down halfway and click on the big download button. This is the same program I used to create the multi-Linux USB drive, if you remember on my previous video. Now I have already created my Windows 7, 10 and 8.1 ISO, as you can see, and I got my YUMI program here, which I'm gonna execute and then agree to the license terms. Here in step 1, click on the drop down and select the USB drive. Checkmark format if you haven't done it already. Keep in mind that will delete all information on the USB, so make sure to back it up. Under step 2, go all the way down to select Windows Vista 7 or 8 installer. This also works for Windows 10. Now browse for the ISO. I'm going to start off with Windows 7 ISO here. Double click to select and click on Create. A pop-up warning will come up telling you that it will format your USB drive FAT32. It'll create a System Linux NBR, also rename the USB multiboot, and install the operating system. Click Yes to start installing or adding the operating system to that USB drive. Once done, click Yes, and then we can continue on adding the second operating system. Again, select the USB now called multiboot. Do not check format, and under step 2, select the Windows Vista 7 and 8 installer. It's exactly the same process for all Windows operating system except Windows XP. Click Browse and then select, in this case, the next operating system, Windows 8.1. Create to start adding that Windows operating system to the USB. Once done, next, would you like to add another ISO? Yes, and then we're gonna go exact same process to add Windows 10. There it is. Create, and after a bit, you're done. If you just wanted to create Windows ISO, once you click on Next here, you can click on No, don't add any more ISOs, and finish the wizard and you're done. But in this case, I clicked Yes to add a Linux distro, Ubuntu, and it's the same process. Select it and create to add that any Linux distro to that USB drive. Once done, next. Nope, you don't wish to add more ISOs, and finish the wizard. Now you can create a mixture of multi-Windows and multi-Linux distros on that same USB, which is good. Now once you boot from that USB, we can select grub bootable ISOs and Windows, and it'll install any of the operating system that you added to that USB. Or we can go back and select if we wanted to install Linux distributions. In this case I only have one, but we can also add several of them, having a powerful USB to install Linux or Windows. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Miguel. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section below. Thank you.